Ready to say goodbye to your Acorns account? Maybe you're looking for a different investing platform, or perhaps you just want to cash out your savings. Whatever the reason, closing your account can feel a little tricky, especially if you're not sure where to start. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can close your account smoothly and get back to what matters. The first thing you need to do is log into your Acorns account. You can do this on their website or through the mobile app. Once you're in, you'll need to withdraw all your funds. This is a critical step because you can't close the account if there's any money left in it. Go to your Invest account, find the Withdraw option, and select the full amount. It's important to know that this can take a few business days to process. Acorns will sell your investments, and then the cash will be transferred back to your linked bank account. So, you'll need to be a little patient here. While you wait, keep an eye on your emails for confirmation that the withdrawal is complete. Once the withdrawal is confirmed and the money is back in your bank account, you're ready for the next step. You'll need to contact Acorns customer support directly. The easiest way to do this is through their help center. On the website or in the app, look for a help or support section. From there, you'll find an option to contact us. When you reach out, you'll need to let them know that you want to close your account. They might ask for some verification information to confirm your identity, like your name, date of birth, and maybe the last 4 digits of your social security number. They'll also want to know your reason for closing the account. You can be as brief or as detailed as you like here. Once you've provided all the necessary information, a support representative will process your request. They might send you a final email to confirm that your account has been successfully closed. It's a good idea to keep this email for your records. And just like that, you're all set. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.